Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to present your PowerPoint files or your PowerPoint presentation and share it in your meetings using Microsoft Teams application or desktop client. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client and connect to your account, and then just follow these simple steps. So the first thing that I will do now is to create a meeting so I can join it, so that I show you how to present your PowerPoint files. So the first thing that I'm going to do now is to create a PowerPoint file, and let's just have anything uh, randomly, and I'm going to draw just a shape or anything, just having this circle or just like that, and I'm going to save it, of course. Let's just save and save it in the desktop. Present or sharing here. So basically I have created the file. Now I'm going to create the meeting, so I'm going to click on meeting button, and I'm going to have this meeting. Click on join now, and now I can show you how to share your presentation or how to present your PowerPoint. So basically, to present PowerPoint, we will need to share our screen. And of course, either you are going to have like some PowerPoint live, or you are going to search for your PowerPoints from here. So basically, I'm going to open the PowerPoint that I have just selected or just created, and I'm going here. I'll go to my meeting window, search for the share button. As you can see, share content, and here in the windows, either you are going to share your screen or the windows, and to have only your presentation shared, choose the windows and click on PowerPoint, and as you can see, now you are presenting your PowerPoint presentation or PowerPoint file, and people are seeing now what you are presenting, because if you click here, now we are presenting here and you can see everything here. So basically I just click on this button, and automatically it's make me select this file, because it knows how what I am using. So simply that's it. So this is how you can present your PowerPoint files. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.